bus.
By the way, friend, Happy New Year for you, friend.
Happy New Year! Chinese New Year!
Yeah.
恭喜发财!
Yep, so today we're back again to my content. And today we play a baby bus game. So this game is good for kids because this is learning about.
You can tell your mother and dad how to open from the Google Play or
So this game is good for kids because they're learning about counting and reading and
stories.
stories, to reading some stories and teach you how to play this game. So many things. Yeah, so many things. So this game is so good for you. So let's play.
Ask Mom and Dad. Loading, please wait.
We're making a sushi kitchen. I think the sushi is delicious sushi.
No, this is a meal.
Tap here to try other games.
So this friend is good for kids. Let's try this one, okay?
Download is complete. Let's start playing the game. Come this way, please. This is the menu. Let's check out what the guests would like to eat. Taiyaki.
Taiyaki.
Taiyaki is a Japanese dessert. It is shaped like a small chubby fish and tastes sweet and delicious. Make the batter. Crack 3 eggs.
Wow.
Wait, look, this is spin. Spin. What is this?
No.
Add the sugar.
Sugar.
Add the honey.
Honey.
This one is oil.
So with
Add the flour and sift it.
following is wiggle, wiggle, and wiggle. Some egg. Last time we just fixed yep.
Wait.
Milk. It's milk.
Wait, it be like that.
It's a color.
Eat.
Bake taiyaki.
Huh? Taiyaki?
Yeah.
No, this is
This is yummy.
a sip.
Add half of the batter first.
It's fried. So yummy.
Cheese filling. Cheese filling.
Cheese.
Purple yam filling. Cheese filling. And then add the rest of the batter to cover the filling.
Ooh.
Close the baking tray and bake it.
I think it's yummy, friend.
Wow! I love the sweet smell of taiyaki. The guests can't wait any longer. Let's put it on a plate.
This one's
taiyaki is ready. Awesome!
Taiyaki stand. So you give it to the hand.
Sorry to
Oh, what's this?
What?
interrupt. Here is your cuisine. Please enjoy it. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Set the table with pretty decorations and the guests will be happier. Welcome. Come this way, please. Takoyaki. Takoyaki is a prepare octopus feet. Bake takoyaki. Add the batter. Onion, corn, onion, corn, onion, corn. And then add more batter to cover these ingredients. The color of takoyaki has changed. Pick them up and flip them over. Wow, they smell so great! Let's pick them out of the pan with a fork. The guests can't wait any longer. Let's put it on a plate. Tomato sauce. Dried bonito flakes. Yo-ho! Takoyaki is ready to be served. Ramen is a common type of boiled noodles. Ramen noodles are thin, chewy, and smooth. Make the miso soup base.
Miso soup.
Add oil. Minced onions. Minced ginger. minced garlic. Fry the ingredients. Add chicken stock. Add the sesame oil. Add mirin. Add miso. Miso is the most important ingredient in miso soup.
You want to eat mine? I'll give it to you next video, okay?
The guests can't wait any longer. Let's put it on a plate.
Let's see.
Naruto Maki bean sprout. Awesome! This bowl of miso ramen is so delicious.
So ramen is that?
Sorry to interrupt. Here is your cuisine. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Okay, friend. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like,
Welcome.
comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.
Come this way, please.